Good morning. After last week's run to 11:01, we're sitting here at 1100, 20 minutes into the open of the Monday. Summer Mondays, like summer Fridays, are very slow volume. As you can see, we've only ticked over 30,000 on one 5-minute bar. Normal is 50 to 60. So we're trading, let's call it 40 to 60% volume. Rates very low. Again, last week we ran 4% from the lows to the highs. That's 11 or 1060 to 1101. So some consumption of that move upward after last week's action is probably in order. That being said, we're bullish on the multiple time frames. However, right now we are below the pivot of 1101.83, trading lower. Looks like we may want to pull back to that 1096, 1093 area. That was where we really broke out from anyways. So a test of that area, it seems in line. If you want to look for a buy area, that would be your area. The 10-day chart, very, very bullish. The 5-day is bullish. And pretty much every time frame. The 20-day, 1-month chart goes back to, again, the low, 1002, back from near July 4th. And that is trading up here. So we're up 100 points now in the month of July. July's been a very good month for the markets, up nearly, we'll call it 7-8% overall. So everything looking bullish on the near-term charts. The 30-day is coming back to its high of 1115. And the 60-day chart, just to give you some context, again, the high in the 60-day chart is 1140, not a very bullish chart on the 60-day still. If you draw a fib from that 1140 area down to 1102, we're sitting right above the 61.8, which is 1090. So that needs to hold on the 3-month chart, and we are starting to look a little bullish on pretty much all time frames, even going back to the 60-day. If we can close again another week over 1090, that would be good for this market. Again, it is the silly season, the time of year where we are somewhat just kind of drifting back and forth. So take it easy out there. Don't press. I'll be taking off a bunch of time here in August as we get to that slow period. It's just it doesn't mean a lot. It gets pretty sloppy. So anyways, again, even on the daily year to date, we're starting to break out a little bit. We've got to test that 1130. If we can break out above that 1130, 1170. So these are the different levels above us. And again, the key fib numbers on it, even on a daily chart, have us pressing bearish all the way up to, again, 1130 is the 61.8, and that's where we banged off last time. So we're going to be watching this number. 1130 is the year-to-date key fib number. So we can test up to that area and even, again, near 1170 and still be bears in control come the fall. So this is setting up. This is what we've been talking about, a little summer rally, and then set up for the fall. And other than that, that's it. Have a great trading day. We'll be back at you later tomorrow.